This is the Acer Swift 3, and this specific model was released late 2019. And this year 2020, this is the kind of laptop you should buy. Here's why. It's thin and light, it has slim bezels, Thunderbolt 3, Wi-Fi 6, 10th gen Intel Core, SSD storage, all at an affordable price. These are the recipes to be considered as a very good laptop in today's standard. So, let's take a closer look at this device. For the design, it is sleek and minimal. The build quality is great, it does not flex much, and it is made up of magnesium alloy. It only weighs about 1 kilogram, and this laptop comes only in two colors: Millennial Pink, which is this one, and Gray. For the display, it sports a 14-inch 1080p IPS panel, but it does not support touchscreen, though it has slim bezels which adds up to its sleek look. Display colors are accurate and screen brightness are great. Webcam and audio quality is also good. This device also supports Windows Hello using fingerprint and facial recognition. For the typing experience, I can say it's good enough. Key travels are short and you can type comfortably on first use. However, my only issue is that at first, I can feel there are big spaces between keys, but you'll get used to it. Also, those function keys and that delete and power button should also get used to it. Plus, it has white LED backlight. The trackpad is also smooth and precise since it uses Windows Precision driver. So, the main good part about this device is that it has a Type-C port which supports Thunderbolt 3. With this, you'll be able to experience blazing fast file transfer to and from your external drives. It can also be used for charging, thus no need to bring multiple charging brick. Other uses are for external display, which supports up to 4K, and if you want to game on this, you can also plug in a external GPU. In addition to the Type-C port, we also have a USB 3, HDMI port, a 3.5mm audio jack, a USB 2, and a LAC port. Inside this device houses the 10th gen Intel Core i5, which is one of the latest chipsets from Intel. It has a 1 GHz base clock and can be up to 3.6 GHz turbo boost clock. It also has 4 cores and 8 threads with Intel integrated graphics. Also inside is a 512 NVMe SSD storage, which is way faster than your traditional hard drive. It gives you faster read and write speeds, thus faster boot time and opening of applications. Also here is the Wi-Fi 6, which is also the fastest and latest generation of Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, you cannot game hardly on this since it does not have dedicated graphics, but its CPU is more than capable enough for any CPU intensive task. So, here are some performance numbers with this. For the battery life, it lasts for about 5 to 6 hours on real life usage. So, if your budget is within 40,000 pesos and you just need an Ultrabook, I highly recommend this one. Well, some additional tips. If you are not in a hurry, you should probably wait until Q2 of 2020 since AMD just recently announced their Ryzen 4000 series laptop CPUs, and based on the recent achievements, it should not disappoint. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like this video if you like it and subscribe for more.